Welcome to Toysbackzen. Today we're going to be opening up a box that I got off of eBay. Let's check it out and see what's inside. Today we got this box, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is. It's was delivered to me in Ontario, Canada, from the Maritimes, New Brunswick, I believe. It was an eBay seller, and if you've seen my 70s haul video, I got a headquarters, a G.I. Joe Action Team headquarters. It was missing a bunch of the parts, and this guy pretty much had everything I was looking for. So first we see that we have a rack for hanging uniforms. Sliding unit for the sliding door in the front. We also have a pole for the chair that goes up and down from the first to the second floor. This is the control panel. It does have 2D battery slots on there for controlling a buzzer and a light for the top of the headquarters. I'm hoping that works. So I'm hoping I don't have to do any repairs, but if I do, well, then we'll do a repair video on that. And then these yellow pieces, I believe they form some kind of rack for shoes and backpacks and hats and that kind of stuff. So almost like a shelf rack. This lot did not have any of the hangers for the hanging rack, but I only have one figure and a few clothes, so I'm not too worried about that. I just wanted a nice display, and I want everything that, you know, is mechanical and electric to at least work. This is the piece that's really important. It's the light. Even has the original light bulb in it, looks like. 2 contacts on the bottom. So we'll test this out in another video and see if it works. The window on the front of it doesn't look scratched. It looks like it's in really good condition. There's the chair that connects to the pole. If you want to see the reveal of the haul that I got with the headquarters in it, I'll put the link up on the top, and you can click on that and save it for later. So here's a piece here. It doesn't look like anything that goes with this. It's even a different yellow, I think, but anyway, I'll figure that out as I'm putting it together. There's the items that I got from the seller. I'll be definitely leaving him a positive review because he packed these items really, really well. And the items are pretty much in the condition that he said they were in. So thanks a lot, and stay tuned for part 2 of putting it together. I'm just going to spend some time cleaning the parts now. Please comment, like, subscribe to my channel. See ya.